Awesome. So, hi everyone, welcome to this webinar on IICS for Data Warehouse, Data Lake, and App Modernization. This is the first webinar of this four-part series. My name is Sumit Agrawal. I'll be your speaker today, and I'm the Vice President of Product Management at Informatica, responsible for all of our Data Warehouse and Data Lake product portfolio. So just a few housekeeping things before we start. If you guys have any questions, please submit those questions on a chat window, and we will answer those questions. And we are recording this session, and this session will be posted in our website. All right, so let's just dive in. So today I'm going to cover what is like a quick introduction of IICS for Data Warehouse, Data Lake, and App Modernization. I will show you what are the different things we are delivering in this product over here, and then I will also talk about some of the other upcoming webinars we have. All right, so let me just start the presentation. So I think most of you guys know this, that what are the top cloud modernization challenges. So at Informatica, we believe that these are the main reasons why customers are modernizing to cloud, right? There are problems around operationalization. There is some issues around self-service, and there is a problem around getting those resources and complexities, right? Like you have multiple, as you go into cloud, the organizations are facing issues on complexities. So cloud data management is the solution for all these problems, which I shared in my previous slide. And when I say cloud data management, we believe that this is actually a combination of data engineering, data warehouse, data lake, applications, and data science. So this is what kind of the combination of all of this is our cloud data lake management, which is built on top of our CLAIRE engine, which is our AI and ML engine. And this is what we called as Informatica Cloud Data Management. And we at Informatica are 100% focused on our data management portfolio. We have the cloud first and cloud native solution on data management. And we just don't do integration. We also do ingestion. We can also run things at scale in a complete elastic manner. We also provide integrated data quality in a cloud first, cloud native environment. We also provide connectivity, push down optimization, as well as app and API integration. And all of these functionalities are available in all cloud, whether it's AWS, Azure, Google, or Databricks. So let me just dive into telling you what is the secret sauce behind all of our intelligence layer. This is what we call is our CLAIRE engine, which uses all these different algorithm under the covers to provide metadata intelligence to our customers, right? So these are some various examples to show you how we are using CLAIRE or AI and ML engine under the covers to provide to bring productivity to our users. And all of this can help us to build data management, which is totally augmented and pervasive today, right? So we have CLAIRE engine, which actually adds the ML technology. And then we also provide all these use cases, whether it's data engineering or data governance, and also for all these different users. All of this is kind of combined, all these things combined to give us an augmented data management. So, and we at Informatica has built this on top of our intelligent data platform, where we not only do integration, we also do data quality, master data management, and also provide catalog and data privacy. And our strategy for building any products on cloud is that it has to work for any integration pattern, for any users, as well as for any data. So that means that we are building this platform for all kind of user persona, whether you are a technical user persona or a business user. Our product on IICS will work for you. And all of this is built on top of our CLAIRE engine, just that's what I've shown you in my previous slide. And this is our design principles, right? So what we have done is we have built this cloud native data management solution, which is called IICS, which is built on top of this microservices-based architecture. And this not only run on cloud, it is also available on hybrid cloud, which means it's also available on-premise, and it is built on a design principle of simplicity, productivity, and scale. I will talk more about simplicity, productivity, scale in my upcoming slides. And these are all the functionality which we provide in our intelligent cloud services. So as you guys can see that we just don't, we have certain integration services which are already available for many years. On top of that, we have added many new advanced data management functionalities, such as cloud data quality. We added cloud mass ingestion. We also added our MDM products. All of that is available on IICS today. And this is our typical architecture, which our customers are now taking to build a data warehouse and data lake on cloud. So what we see many customers are doing is they are using this kind of an architecture to ingest their data into a lake. And once they ingested their data into the lake, they do this kind of preparation on the lake. And then from there, they move the data back to data warehouse. And from here, they do all this kind of analytics. So, and we also see the customers are taking this kind of an architecture to build an app modernization, where they are taking requests from any EDI request or any log data, and they have a B2B exchange to build an app modernization. So, and you guys may be thinking that what is so unique about Informatica on all of these things which I just showed you so far, right? So if you look at this end-to-end data management platform, which provides ingestion, replication, integration, right? Data quality, app integration. If you look at, there will be plenty of other players in the market which may give you point solution for some of these functionality. But only Informatica is the only vendor here which is providing you this end-to-end functionality, not just for ingestion and integration, but for all the way to data quality, to app integration and B2B. So instead of you working with all these multiple point solution guys, I mean, if you look at Informatica, we will provide you the end-to-end data management platform for all these use cases. So now I will talk more and go deeper into what are our design principles and what are the different things we have built in our product, especially in our IICS product for cloud data warehouse and data lake. So first thing is that at Informatica, we believe that to build any product, we need to have a design principles. And our design principle for building IICS is built on top of these three principles, right? One is it has to be simple, which means that instead of just being, even though we are comprehensive, we also want to make sure that it is simple for our customers to use. Whether you are a technical user or a non-technical users, we want simplicity. As well as once we have made the product radical simple, then we also want to add productivity to all our users, whether it's design time productivity or runtime productivity or operational intelligence. Productivity is a key driver for building our products. And then third and last should be that whatever we build should be available, should be built on top of elastic scale, which means we are building for scale of data, scale of users, and scale of user personas as well. So I'll give you some more examples to show you that how we are applying this design principle of simplicity, productivity, and scale in all the products which we are building, right? And this is just to recap that our cloud modernization is available for all our integration and quality services, whether it's cloud data integration or it's data quality. All of that is part of our cloud modernization journey. So now let me go back to that design principle, which I've said, right? Like simplicity, productivity, and scale. So one thing we have done in IICS is that we have made this product simple for all the user personas. And here are some examples of some of the features we are offering on IICS to show you how we are making it super easy for our customers to use, right? So we provide a design, we provide easy drag and drop experience to our customers. We have a lot of 100 plus pre-built functions and templates which are available. We also have high performance metadata connectors. We also provide a way to do mass ingestion, which means that, like, say if you have data which is sitting on Oracle and you want to move that data into a Snowflake, we provide all that ingestion in a very easy 4-step wizard. And one feature which I'm really proud of at Informatica is our advanced serverless deployment. And I will talk more about it. But one of the main things we see is that simplicity is not complete if we don't provide, if we don't take care of installation. So what we do is at serverless is that there is no server, nothing to maintain. It is completely serverless for our customers. And we also provide data catalog and data quality. All of that is fully integrated in IICS, right? So these are just a few examples to show you that how we are adding simplicity in our IICS platform. When it comes to productivity, this is our real value, real differentiator. What I mean by productivity, just to recap, is how are we making the life of our users easy by giving them AI-based recommendations and augmentation. So we at Informatica provides productivity in 3 layers: design time, runtime, and operational layer. So these are just few examples to show you how are we providing productivity, right? We provide productivity by giving you recommendation on transformation side, right? What is the next best transformation to use? We also provide parameterization, dynamic mapping. All of these are different examples of productivity which we provide out of the box for our customers. And then on scale part, right? So scale means how are we, since it's cloud, we need to make it available for large volume of data, right? So what we offer in IICS is not just a solution for small data. We can even take care of big data kind of a use case. So we offer Spark on Kubernetes as an execution engine for our customers. And we can also do a push down to multiple ecosystem like Snowflake and Databricks. We can push down to these guys, and we have seen like 50x performance improvement when you push down here to these ecosystem. And then we also provide CDC and ingestion functionality, including running on GPUs, which I'm going to talk more in my upcoming slides. So this is how we are providing scale in IICS. So now what I'll do next is give you some more concrete examples or double click on some of the examples on simplicity, productivity, and scale, so that you guys will have some more idea on how IICS is giving you all these 3 design principles. So I'll first start I'll give you an example of our mass ingestion functionality. So many of you may have used our Power Center product or many other Informatica products. So you guys would have remembered that to do any kind of an ingestion, the way to do ingestion was to create a mapping, right? And what we thought was there should be a better way of doing ingestion. So what we have done in cloud is that this time, if you want to move hundreds and thousands of your tables which are sitting on your Oracle data or SQL Server, and you want to move it to Snowflake or Synapse or ADLS or S3, you don't have to create mappings for it. What we provide is a simple 4-step wizard where you select your source, you select your target, and we can take care of ingestion automatically for you. And this completely take care of schema drift. So in case if you have if there is any additional column which gets added or the format gets changed, all of that is totally adjusted, and we can take care of all of that. And we not just provide ingestion for databases, we can also do ingestion for files, ingestion for streaming devices, like say if you're reading from IoT, we can take care of that, as along with ingestion of applications like SaaS applications like SFDC. So we provide this simple 4-step wizard where any citizen integrators can use it to move data from point A to point B. So this is our some very new technology which we just added a couple of years back in IICS. So this is about, and the next example I'll give you is about advanced serverless. So those of you who have used, who have used any integration tool will remember that, hey, for using any tool, you have to install something, right? You need to install an agent, or you need to install or manage something. But we believe that if you have to use cloud or CFCN, Cloud First Cloud Native, there should not be any server or a software for our customers to manage. So what we offer is something called advanced serverless. And the reason why we are calling it advanced serverless is because this is something completely unique which we are providing to our customer, where there will not be any server to manage. They don't have to worry about any cluster. And what we provide is we provide an automatic way to understand the workload, how many number of nodes it needs, and what kind of instance type it has. And we will automatically spin up those compute nodes under the covers for you with the right instance type to do this kind of processing for you. From the customer point of view, you don't need to manage anything. All of that will be completely managed by Informatica. So this is something we have launched very recently in IICS, and many of our IICS services are now completely serverless. Now let's move on to productivity. So here are some examples to show you how we add productivity in all the things we do on IICS, whether it's design time, runtime, operational intelligence. Right. So for example, for design time, I gave you an example of next transformation prediction. For example, when you drag a source, we will know that you want to join that source with another source. So instead of you picking what transformation to choose, we will recommend the best transformation for you. That is a design time intelligence. Runtime intelligence means, like, say, once you run the workload, what is the right engine to use? Whether shall you use Spark, shall you use Snowflake to run this job, or shall you use our Informatica's own engine? So this is the intelligence which we can provide you by looking at your workload, that what is the best engine to run this job. And then on top of that, we also provide you auto scaling and auto tuning. And then similarly on operational intelligence, we can also look at how you are using your resources. We can provide you some recommendation on resource management, on anomaly detection, and all of that. And then we also provide various automation for our customers to automate things on IICS. Like we provide some out-of-the-box templates, REST APIs. There are some wizards which are purposely built, like synchronization wizard. So these are all the different examples to show you how we add productivity in our IICS. On the scale side, I think one thing which we want to cover is how we are adding multiple engine support, multimodal engine support in IICS. So IICS don't just run on an agent, on a secure agent. We also support Spark, and then there is also a SQL pushdown. And the reason why you are seeing these things on the bottom here is because these are the 4 layers of innovation which Informatica is adding on top of all these engines, right? We are not just giving you an open source Spark engine as it is. We are adding layers of innovation on top. So these are the different ways by which we are providing scale to our customers. And we just don't give you the best of ETL engine. We also provide you the best of ELT engine with our advanced PDO, which is 50x faster than any other regular ETL. So this means that we can now take any job which are sitting on S3, and we can push down that job to Redshift or Snowflake or Synapse. And we see a great results for our engine. We are able to process 3 terabytes of data under 2 hours. We are cheaper, we are performant. So these are all the different examples to show you how we add scale. And this is also an example to show you that we at Informatica IICS is also certified to run on GPUs. So if you have your data scientist who wants to run things on GPUs, we can do that as well. And we don't stop here. We also extend our support to on a data science initiative. So Informatica also provide an end-to-end data science and ML lifecycle by which we can help you to prepare your data and also operationalize your machine learning model, just like how we help you to operationalize your data pipeline. So these are the various examples to show you how we add simplicity, productivity, and scale on IICS. Now let me cover you some other platform features which we offer on IICS. One is our connectivity. So we offer more than 10,000 plus metadata connectors or for multi-cloud, for SaaS application, for on-premise application. And as I said, we are not just for cloud, we are also available for hybrid, which is also available for on-premise and also for also everything is available on a serverless. So IICS is a hybrid data management. It's also for on-premise use cases as well. And this is just to show you that what are the layers of innovation we have added on IICS for on top of an on-premise innovation. So for example, anything you do on on-prem, on top of that, we have added these layers of innovation on IICS for integration, for connectivity, and also for data quality and metadata. And this is also a unique program which I want to introduce you guys on, and we will have more follow-ups in the upcoming webinars, is our Power Center modernization program. So what we do is that we have seen many of our Power Center customers have came to us and they wanted us to move to this newer platform of IICS, which I just introduced. And so what we offer is we offer a program by which we can help our Power Center customers to move to cloud to our IICS, and we can help them to modernize their cloud data warehouse. So we offer that as a program. We call that as a CDW modernization solution for PC, where we provide an automated scripts and utilities by which we can move all the Power Center assets to IICS. We also give you migration support as well as professional services support. And this is the more details on the methodology which we use to modernize Power Center to IICS, where we provide you a way to assess what the work you have done. We can convert your job from Power Center to IICS. We can validate, we can do data validation, and then we can organize your mapping, productize it, and then optimize it for IICS. So that means that even if you have started with Informatica on Power Center, and now you want to move to cloud, or you're looking at cloud and you want to think and you want to leverage our IICS platform, you don't have to start from scratch. We can even give you ways to move from Power Center to IICS. And this is just a screenshot to show you how the reports will look like. So when you use our Power Center reuse report, Power Center migration report, you will have assess way where we can assess your repository and tell you what can be moved and what cannot be moved. And then we can give you this kind of a dashboard to show you how many assets we have moved. And then we are globally available as well as secure. So we check all the boxes in terms of security on IICS. So that means IICS is not just functionally complete, but we also are secure and trusted and go globally available. So we have all kinds of compliance checked, whether it's SOC 2 or HIPAA, FedRAMP, all of that is already checked for IICS. And we are globally available. So this is a very important factor to build a cloud native solution, is to make sure that we to provide services across the globe. So we have availability in almost everywhere, as well as we are available in all the cloud, whether it's AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. So we have 12 regions and 3 cloud providers. We offer pods, and all the IICS services are fully deployed in all these 3 clouds. And along with that, we are also excited to announce our new pricing for IICS. So we are offering a complete consumption-based pricing for all of our DWDL and app services. And what I mean by consumption-based pricing is that this is completely cloud-friendly. It is usage-based. So that means based on your usage, we will charge you, we'll charge the services based on how much you have used the software. And it is very flexible, it's comprehensive, and it's elastic. And we also offer multiple experience pathways. So if you want to get started with IICS, we offer all these different ways of accessing our software. We offer 30-day trials, and I'll share you the links just after in my last slide. We also offer freemium. So we offer Snowflake freemiums. If you guys are using Snowflake, within Snowflake, we have a Partner Connect program where Informatica IICS is listed. So you can use Informatica from a Snowflake from Partner Connect program also. We are also available in all the public cloud marketplace, whether it's AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. So we are fully available there. So you can also, if you want to burn down your commits with all these cloud vendors, you can use that from there. And then yeah, you can also contact our sales team, and you can also access our software through our sales team. So these are the different ways by which you can get access to our IICS platform. And then we will not be successful if we don't have a good or very robust partner ecosystem. So we work with most of our big SI system integrators. We have thousands of, like hundreds and thousands of people trained in our IICS platform. So, so if you guys are planning to start IICS implementation, you will get a lot of resources to help you. And just to show you the scale at which this platform is running. So this is a very mature platform, and which is there from last 10 or 15 years. So at this time, we are running 15 trillion transactions per month. So you can imagine the scale at which we are operating. We have thousands of customers who are using our software, and then they are running 15 trillion transactions per month, 1 billion jobs which are processed per month, right? So these are some stats to show you how scalable our platform is. And then we also have a very good customer success and support team. We have won the customer experience award for many years. We are #1 in customer loyalty. So we just don't offer good products. We also offer a great customer success and support team to help you with. And this is also a program for our IICS customer. We also provide an assurance service program. So which means that if once we can even provide you help on upgrade, readiness, on risk monitoring, and all of that. And yeah, we are the leader in all the magic quadrants of Gartner, whether it's data integration or iPaaS or MDM. So we participate in 5 magic quadrant of Gartner, and we are the clear leader in all these 5. So just let me just wrap up here on the time. So I think the 3 things I would like to leave you guys with. One is IICS is definitely our multi-cloud data management platform is available for all of your data warehouse and data lake needs. We are comprehensive. We provide you cloud native and intelligent and automated solution. And then we have both, not just integration, we also have data quality and metadata management baked in our product itself. So if you guys are interested to try out IICS, please go to our website and go under trials. There is 30-day trials of IICS available that will give you access of all these features which I just shared with you in my webinar. And not to forget, there are other webinars coming up. So there is the 3 more webinars coming up as part of this IICS series. In the next webinar, we will be double-clicking on mass ingestion, which I just showed you today. We will be double-clicking on that. Then in the next webinar, we'll be double-clicking on how to build high-performance data pipeline, followed by 4th webinar where we'll talk more about app. So with that, I would like to wrap up and like to thank you all for joining me for this webinar. And we will post this recording in our website. And yeah, thank you again for your participation.